So hello all, welcome again to Priyanka's Notion Hub. So we are on the topic that we are discussing that what I have said you that we will discuss the question from the AIEEE and basically which are the topics somewhat similar to grade 9 and grade 10 we already studied, right? So on this we are having the second question, right? So you can have this question, how can we do this question? It's very important, right? So you can read out the question. What is the question written here? It is, if one root is square of other root, right, of the equation, right? The equation is already given to you. The equation is what? X square plus px plus q equals to 0. Right? Now, one root is a square of other root, right? It means what? If one root is alpha, then next root is alpha square, right? And this is the first root, right? And this is the second root. And we very well know the relationship between the first and the second root, right? For example, we are having the relation between alpha and beta, which are the roots, or you can say the zeros of the equation, right? But here the alpha is alpha and beta is equals to alpha squared, that you have to remember. And what is the relation we are having between the coefficient and the alpha beta, or you can say the roots of the equation? That is alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. And what is b? B is the coefficient of x, and a is what? A is the coefficient of x square, right? And in the similar way, alpha into beta is equals to c upon a, right? So particularly according to our equation, we can elaborate this and write this like minus b upon a means minus p upon 1, right? And c upon a, it means q upon 1, right? So it is equals to minus p and it is equals to q, right? All the things related with the equation we are already have, right? Now we will put them in the equation form, right? Now we are having alpha plus alpha square according to the first, right? And this is equals to minus p. Right? Now we want the relation between the p and q. That is very important, right? And from this we can get alpha into alpha square is equals to q, or you can say alpha q is equals to q, right? Now we want the relation. So also here also we want the alpha cube. So what we will do, we will whole cube here, right? So it is alpha plus alpha square whole cube, right? And this is equals to minus p whole cube, right? So how can we write this more as this one? So if we are taking it as a this will be alpha cube a cube plus b cube, right, plus 3ab and in bracket alpha plus alpha square, right? And it is equals to minus p whole cube, or you can write it as like what? This is equals to alpha cube plus alpha 6 plus 3 alpha 4, or it is equals to 3 alpha 5, and this is equals to minus p cube, right? Now we can take alpha cube as the, here it is alpha 6, right? So we can take alpha cube as a common from all these. This will be 1 plus alpha square, right? Alpha cube here, and plus it is equals to 3 alpha, and it is equals to, this will be equals to 3 alpha square, like this, is equals to minus p cube, right? And alpha cube is equals to what? It is equals to q, right? So you can write this as q, right? Alpha cube, you can replace the alpha cube as q. So this is equals to q plus 1 plus q plus, right? This is 3 alpha plus 1 plus alpha, right? And this is equals to minus p cube. So if we want to have the relation between right? If you want to have the relation between these two, what could be the relation, right? You can write this relation, right? How can we write this relation? So it is P, it is, sorry, Q plus Q square plus 3 alpha Q plus 1 plus Q, and this is equals to minus P whole Q, right? So if we want the relation between the P and Q, so we can write it as 3 alpha Q is here only, right? And all the things come here, minus PQ minus Q minus Q square, right? And you can put this Q also here. In this way, you got the relation, right, between the roots and the P and Q, right? So in this way, with having the easiest concept, right, what concept, basic concept we are studying in the grade 10 and grade 10, we can solve the question in a very easy method by putting all the values in the equation, right? Okay, clear? Right, okay, so this is all about the today's video, right? We will meet with the next question, and it's my request to you all again and again that if you want to have any other doubt to be cleared, right, to be discussed here, we can discuss it here, right? So write it in a comment, do share the video and do share with your friends and get the doubts, get your all doubts. We will together solve all the doubts, and right, and we will move on to the next and next and next step, right? Okay, thank you so much.